All of you, good evening, students. Today we are learning about the second year, fourth semester English. In the fourth semester English subject, grammar topic, writing exercise. In the writing exercise, report writing. In the writing exercise, so many types of or so many kinds are there. What are those? Like a paragraph writing, essay writing, and a report writing. Now we will discuss about the report writing. Now I will show you the picture about the report writing, and I will explain the report writing, what about is and what is the report writing. A report is a representation of analytical investigation, experience of findings on a subject or a problem related to some issues. A report generally consists of sequence of events, evaluation of facts or results, discussion of the outcomes of a decision. Conclusion and recommendations. A report should be accurate, brief in form, distinct, clear, and well structured. Okay, you will see on the picture. A report is a representation of analytical investigation, analysis of the investigation. A report is a representation of a analysis investigation, experience or finding on a subject or a problem related to the some issues. Experience or findings on a subject or a problem related to some issues. What are those issues? We will see in the how to write the report in the form of a report writing. Okay, right. You see the picture. A report is a representation of analysis, investigation, experience or findings on a subject or a problem related to some issue. A report generally consists of a sequence of events, evaluation or facts or results, decision of the outcome of decision, discussion of the outcomes of a decision, conclusion and recommendations. A report should be accurate, brief in form, distinct, clear and well structured. Students are asked to write reports for model assignments. For instance, newspaper reports, case study reports. They could include in these pieces their predictions and provide some recommendations for the future. These reports, however, must be based on past events, social and economic phenomena. A report has three parts: introduction, body of the report, and conclusion. Okay, what are the reports? A report should be accurate, brief, informed, distinct, clear, and well structured. Students are asked to write reports for model assignments. For instance, newspaper reports or case study reports, like that. They could include in these pieces their predictions and provide some recommendations for the future. These reports, however, their predictions must be based on the past events, social and economic phenomena. A report has a three parts: introduction, body of the report, and conclusion. Every report maintain a three parts, that is the introduction to the report and body of the report and conclusion of the report. Conclusion of the report. These three parts are the very important when you are preparing or when you are write the a report. Conclusion of the a report. Okay, now first of the introduction. What is the introduction and how to write the introduction? We will discuss now. The introduction should be covered of a foreground of the subject. Introduction is it must be or it should be cover the foreground of the subject. You should give an idea about the content. It should be about the content to follow. The next part of the report draws together evidence and builds a case around the topic statement. That is the introduction. It must be the introduction should cover the foreground of the subject. It should give an idea about the content to follow. The next part of the report draws together evidence and buildings a case around the topic statement. Next, body of the report. What is the body of the report? Body of the report generally contains supporting sentences which elaborate on the subject matter, which evidence and examples. Supporting sentences are also used to describe major ideas. Supporting sentences also used to describe major ideas. Conclusion. What is the conclusion? In the conclusion, the main idea of the report is repeated by summarizing the content of the report. Okay, in the conclusion, the main idea of the report is repeated by summarizing the content of the report. The other important parts of the report are title, summary, recommendations, appendices, references, and the table of contents. Okay, the main parts of the reports are introduction, body of the report, conclusion. The other parts also they report. The other important parts of the reports are title, summary, recommendations, appendices, references, and the table of the contents. Now, what are the helpful of the hints in the when we are writing the report? Some helpful tips are we will read here or we will see the here. We will see the in the picture. We will see the in the picture. You see what is the second page in our picture. What is the second page in our picture? You see some helpful tip. What are the helpful hints are? You see the students are supposed to present a concrete finding in the reports. The students are supposed to present concrete findings in the reports. In the introduction, students should introduce students should introduce subject and aim of the report. Okay, in the introduction, students should introduce subject and aim of the report. On which purpose they are prepared the report and what is the aim of this report is mentioned in the introduction. It needs to be mentioned what readers are to expect from the report. It needs to be mentioned what readers are to expect from the report. Students must focus on key issues. Students must focus on key issues, ideas and practices in the report. Okay, report it must be a focus on the key issues. What are the key issues or ideas? What are the ideas to reveals the problems and practices? What are the practices need in the mention in the report? Next, relevant, factual and authentic data must be incorporated. Relevant, factual and authentic. Relevant, factual and authentic data must be incorporated in the report. After writing is finished, the writer should read it carefully once or twice for spelling, sentences, construction and proper grammar. Construction and proper grammar. These are the helpful points. After writing is finished, at the end of the report writing, the writer should read it carefully once or twice for the spelling and sentence construction and proper grammar. This is the main tips for the when we are preparing a report. It should be evaluate or it should be analysis of the report is very very important when we are showing to the when we are sending the report to the others. Okay, what are the types of reports? What are the types of reports? What are the types of reports on the page is you see? On the page is you see newspaper report, official report, magazine report, political report, research report, business report, industrial report, technical report. These are the mainly examples of the reports. Example, newspaper reports. The newspapers are daily they are prepared the one of the report, any event of the society, any event of the society to related to the peoples, to related to the peoples. Official reports, officials also prepare the reports. Suppose now it's a corona time, the corona cases are how many are made in the districts, or how many made in the GHMC or like Hyderabad city, which are the places are a very increase in the cases, very increased the cases in the separate areas. They are divided the areas like a red zone or a quarantine zone, like that they are divided. And which is the magazine report, which is the magazine report. In the magazines like a sports star or weekly or a what are those classmate is the magazine for the students of the 10th class. Okay, in these magazines they are given the reports how the students are followed in the education and what is the implications of the or what are the fundamentals of followed in the education. They are chosen the what are the tips to development of education for the a better education to the students. Next, political report. In the political issues are there prepared a political report. Which constitution is the development or which constitution is the not development? Who is the government of Telangana or a government person? It's a minister. Who is the responsible minister? Who is doing the always actions to the for the people, safe of the people, and they are doing always work for the people. That is the political report. Next, research report. Who are the research scholars in the universities or in the higher educations? They are research. They are researched in the particular situation or particular event or particular subject. That is the research report. Next, business report. In the business report, every weekly they are prepared in the newspapers. That business is the how much is growing and how much is delay and how much is decreasing the business they are expecting, and they are giving the analysis also in the newspapers. Next, industrial report. The same way like a business, same the industrial report also, how to develop the factories in the country and which business are introduced in the newly in the state, they are given the industrial report. Next, technical report. Technical report. Technically, what are the fundamentals are for the officials and what are the fundamentals for the peoples, and what are the causes of a development of the report for the technically the e-learning of the peoples, e-learning of the peoples. Let us now look at the two kinds of reports, namely newspaper report and a official report. Okay, example reports are there in our material or in our picture. You see the newspaper reports. What are the newspaper reports? How to they are prepared? The newspaper reports are made themselves. They who are the writers. Okay, you see here newspaper report. A newspaper reports solely consist of daily happenings on a national and international basis. Especially they cover the news of a political events, crime, accidents, business, education, sports, science, entertainment, advertisements, etc. These reports mainly focuses on facts. While writing a reports for newspapers, the following points are to be remembered. What is the newspaper reports? Newspaper reports solely consist of the daily happenings. Newspaper reports are solely consist of the daily events or happenings. What are the happenings in the society? They are mentioned, or they are prepared a report and they are given the news to the people on a national or international basis. That is related to the nation or related to the international also. That basis here they are prepared. Specifically, they cover the news of a political events, mainly which is the a burning out of the situation or burning out of the event is they are prepared for the cover news, for the newspaper of main cover page. Maximum they are prepared for the only political events and crimes. What are the crimes in the society? Accidents. What are the accidents yesterday? Business. What is the business empowerment or a business development in the society? They are given the report. And education reports also they are given. And sports science, entertainment, advertisements also, etc. They are prepared. Every newspaper has so many kinds of news they are made in the newspaper. These reports mainly focus on facts. While writing a report, writing a reports for the newspapers, the following points are to be remembered. You see the newspaper headings have their own special grammar. Articles, prepositions, and conjunctions are commonly avoided. Newspaper headings have their own special grammar. Like articles, prepositions, and conjunctions are commonly avoided. Thief caught. Book released. Results declared. In these events are mentioned in the newspaper, they are not followed the articles, prepositions, and conjunctions like that in the newspaper. When the newspaper report incorporates opinions, views, and statements of important persons, reported speech is used. When when the newspaper report incorporate opinions, views and statements of important persons, reported speech is issued. They are followed always in the reported speech. What is that? What they are said actually they are repeated in the newspaper, that is a report speech. In writing a factual report on some contemporary event for a newspaper, both active and passive voices are used. In this kind of report, the focus is often on the subject of the action. Example, exams are postponed. University postpones the exams. News reports are normally very brief. The most important points are brought out in the first paragraph itself. The content must be divided into a few short paragraphs. The language used must be very simple. Here are some model newspaper reports. Okay, a sample report is here on the picture. You see what is the sample report. Here is one of the with the title example is also there. 3 die in a road accident. How they are die and what is the report on the newspaper? You have to see here. 3 lives were lost in road accidents at a Vardhanapeta and a Maripeda villages on the Khammam Warangal highway. In another accidents, 9 persons sustained injuries at a Ghatkesar on Warangal Hyderabad highway on Monday. Okay, this is a sample report about the 3 die in road accidents. 3 die members in road accidents. 3 lives were lost in a road accidents at Vardhanapeta and Maripeda villages on the Khammam Warangal highway. In another accidents, 9 persons sustained injuries at Ghatkesar on Warangal highway. Hyderabad highway on Monday. But what is the reason for the accidents? He has prepared in the second pair. You see a speeding lorry coming from Sattupalli going to Nizamabad rammed into a roadside huts at around 4 a.m. 2 persons sleeping in their respective huts, Kommalu 30 age and a Raj Nayak 30 age, died on the spot. Kommalu's sibling Krishnamurthy and Suresh sustained injuries and were rushed to MGM in Warangal. This is the first accident in a Khammam and Warangal highway. What is the reason? The speeding lorry coming from Sattupalli going to Nizamabad rammed into a roadside huts at around 4 a.m. 2 persons are sleeping in their respective huts. Kommalu is the name of the first person, is the age of 30, and the Rajanayak is the age of also 30, died on the spot. They are died, 2 persons are died on the spot accident place. Kommalu's sibling Krishnamurthy and Suresh sustained injuries and were rushed to MGM in Warangal. But other persons are related to the Kommalu is the Krishnamurthy and Suresh. Those are the very seriously injured and they were rushed to MGM in Warangal. In the another accident, in the another accident, a doctor E. Surender, 43 age of the person who was driving a car, died after a collision with a lorry. Collision with a lorry coming from the opposite direction. The car owner attempted to overtake a bus and rammed into the speeding vehicle. Death was instant. Dr. Suresh was resident of a diesel colony in Cozipet. Diesel colony in Cozipet. Okay, in this accident, 9 persons, including 2 children, sustained injuries when a car going from Hanamakonda to Hyderabad hit an oncoming Scorpio while negating a sharp bend on the outskirts of the Pemberti village. This is the same sample and a simple report. A simple report. Now, what is the official report? That is the newspaper report, and that is a simple report. One of the examples, 3 day in a road accident is the a simple report. Next, what is the official reports? What is the official reports or a business reports you see in our material? Business icons, scientists, engineers, and employees working in the public sectors need to prepare official reports clearly, briefly, and compendiously. The tone and the style of the report must be formal. Therefore, official reports are called formal reports. Official reports are called formal reports. And other reports are informal reports. What are the personal and what are the general reports? And these are prepared according to the instructions or guidelines passed on the higher authorities of any particular department. Some significant steps in writing official reports are mentioned below. You see here how the official reports are prepared by the officials. Okay, the official reports are prepared only business icons, scientists, engineers, and employees working in the public sectors need to prepare the official reports clearly, briefly, and compendiously. It must be they are prepared the report for the sake of the for the useful of the to society. Okay, the writer of the report should be collect relevant data related to the topic selected. The writer of the report should collect relevant data related to the topic selected. Topic selected is the first point, and the second one is in that next step, data should be arranged in a given systematic format. From addresses of a reporting authority, date of the report submission, to addresses of the receiving authority. To is the receiving authority, from is the prepared authority or a reporting address of the reporting authority. Title of the report must be short but precise. Title of the report must be entitled. Suitable title is the very important when the preparing of the report. Terms of references. Who authorized the report and the purpose of investigation or a survey or a assessment is the must. Next, abstract. Brief gist of report in 5 to 10 lines. Body of the report. Content of the report, results and discussion in the report is the main important in the body of the report. Conclusion. Next, reports, recommendations and suggestion is the given in the conclusion points. References. Enclosures of the documents that reporter referred to the referred for the report. Next, in the last sign or a signature of the reporting authority. Signature of the reporting authority is the very important in the last corner of the right. Okay, the report must be append the covering letter, thinking the authority who assigned the task be performed, and with a statement of the reports readiness for future discussions and clarifications. Future discussions and clarifications is must be followed. Okay, one of the sample official report is there. You see in the next page. What is the simple official report? Simple official report from Rohan Raj, District Education Inspector. District Education Inspector Karimnagar, date 21st June 2022. Dr. Raj, Chief Education Officer, CEO, Chief Education Officer, District Center, Department of Education, Karimnagar. Title: High School Education Program. High School Education Program. Terms of references: as instructed by the Minister of State for Education, a survey was conducted to assess the implementation of the government's 2015 to 18 high school education program in 3 villages of Karimnagar district. Findings: the writer visited the 3 villages of Chelpur, Vavilala and Abhedi Jemmikunta to assess the outcome of the program. The findings of the study are as follows. The number of students who enrolled in the 2015 to 16 increased from 49 to 72 in Chelpuru, 51 to 16 in Vavilala, and 78 to 91 in Abhedi Jemmikunta. Midday meal scheme has been implemented successfully in all the 3 schools. The percentage of the students qualifying went up to 40 to 79 in Chelpuru, 58 to 64 in Vavilala, and 63 to 74 in Abhedi Jemmikunta is the implementation of the increase of the percentage in the students. And the free distribution of books and stationery is done in all 3 schools regularly as per the records. This is the a finding of the report in the body of the report. Conclusion: the programs that were initiated by the state government for improving high school education seems to have succeeded in the Karimnagar district. It is recommended that permission be granted to sanction funds for the renewal of the school buildings. It's prepared by R.R. Rohan Raj. The official report is prepared by Rohan Raj in the Department of Education. In the Department of Education, it's a very simplest and it's a formatable of the report. And what is the other implementation in the report writings? Okay, the report must be a representation of analytical investigation. Analysis of the investigation is a report that is prepared by experience or finding on the subject or a problem related to some issues. A report generally consists of a sequence of events, evaluation of facts or results, discussion of the outcomes of a decision. outcomes of a decision, conclusion, and recommendations. And which parts of the report is there? In the report is a three parts are there: introduction, body of the report, conclusion. Introduction, body of the report, conclusion. Some helpful hints. Some helpful hints are also we are discussed already in the matter. Now, what are the types of reports like that? What are the examples of the reports? Newspaper report, official report, magazine report, political report, research report, business report, industrial report, technical report. Technical report. Okay, we have already discussed about the newspaper report and official reports also. We have seen or we are read already. We are already read in the material. That's why you have to prepare. How to the report prepare is very very important. And what are the points to remind in our mind when we are preparing the report is also very very important. The three main parts of the report is also very very important when we are preparing the report. When you are preparing the report, students also prepared their own reports. Students also prepared their own reports for the sake of the or implementation of the new methods for the development of the students. And what are the causes of the poor learning of the students also they are mentioned in the reports. They are mentioned in the segment points in the report. That is the very very important. And what are the other events or other reports? Okay, lecturers or teachers prepared the students case study reports also. Students case study reports also prepared or mentioned on the data form. Every student have maintained their data form is important in the classroom. In the classroom, how many members or students are there, and what they are thinking, and what is their case? What is their case for the every individuality? What are their strength and or what are their weakness in the education system, and what are the implementation forward to the development of the education is also very very important. And what are the remarks of the candidates also mentioned in a case study report. These case study reports are prepared by the class teachers. Prepared the case study reports. In some other cases also they are prepared the doctors also prepared the case study reports on the particularly patients. In case study means separately they are studied the personality or individuality. Personality or individuality is the very very important in the case study. Next, what are the official reports? Every officer or every official in government sector prepared the official reports for the higher authority, which are the given instructions and which are the fundamentals are they are given or they are modified the fundamentals. On that fundamentals they are taken out a rule. They are taken out as the rule or there are the instructions. Instructions are the hints. They are taken out as a points to the remember in their mind. When they are preparing the official reports. Every official person or every official has been prepared the official report in the government sector also as well as in the private sector also. It must be evaluated in the every aspects. When they are going to the further step in their progressive or a forwardness in the society, forwardness in the society. That is the very very important when we are preparing the report. Is a very very necessary the hints or the recommendations of given by the higher officials. It must be clear when we are prepared the reports or in the examination. Okay, this question is very very important for the examination. It must be evaluated or it must be prepared one of the any example of the situation. Suppose you have to prepare yourself the study report for the your parents, study report for the your parents, study report for the your teachers, or progressive report in your studies from the first sem to second sem, or the first year to second year. In the third fourth sem also, what are the progressiveness in your study, you have to mention in the prepared by the example of the report. It's a implementation in the writing. That is the very very important for the examination purpose. You have to prepare thoroughly, or you are preparing one of the model report writing. It's a very very necessary for the good writing in the examination. Okay, all of you followed the best writing in the examination. That is a very very important.